Melon and watermelon boosting themselves. Melon adjusts its stem like a crown. Watermelon, my juicy friend, let's settle this once and for all. I am the true star of the fruit bowl. I'm versatile, elegant, and come in so many varieties: honeydew, cantaloupe, gallia. I'm basically the royalty of the melon world. Watermelon spits a seed casually. Oh please, melon. You're like the fancy cousin who shows up to the party but doesn't bring the fun. Me. I'm the life of the party. I'm huge, I'm refreshing, and I'm basically summer in a fruit. People don't just eat me, they celebrate *me. Picnics, barbecues, pool parties, I'm the main event. Melon sniffs haughtily, main event. More like a one-trick pony. All you've got is sweetness and water. I, on the other hand, am sophisticated. I can be savory, I can be sweet, I can even be grilled. Try grilling yourself, watermelon. Oh wait, you'd just turn into a puddle. Watermelon grins smugly, at least I don't need to be dressed up to taste good. You're out here begging for a sprinkle of salt or a slice of prosciutto just to be interesting. Meanwhile, I'm perfect all on my own. And let's not forget, I'm the official fruit of hydration. People don't just eat me, they drink me. Ever heard of watermelon juice? Yeah, that's me, keeping the world refreshed. Melon rolls its eyes. Oh, wow, hydration. How groundbreaking. Meanwhile, I'm out here being the star of fruit salads, smoothies, and even desserts. I'm like the Meryl Streep of melons, always in demand, always delivering. You're more like the action movie star. Big, loud, and only good in the summer. Watermelon laughs heartily, action movie star. I'll take that. At least I'm not out here trying to be everything to everyone. You're like the fruit version of a multi-tool, useful, but no one's excited about you. Meanwhile, kids' faces light up when they see me at a picnic. I'm the fruit that brings joy. You're just there. Melon gasps dramatically, excuse me. I'll have you know I'm the fruit of refinement. I'm the one you serve at fancy brunches and high tea. You're the one getting smashed at backyard parties. Need I say more? Watermelon grinning wider, exactly. I'm the fun one. You're the one trying too hard to be classy. Face it, melon, I'm the people's champion. You're just the people's garnish. Melon mutters, at least I don't have to deal with seeds everywhere. Eating you is like a treasure hunt, except the treasure is just more work. Watermelon shrugs, seeds or no seeds, I'm still the MVP of the fruit world. But hey, you do you, melon. Someone's gotta be the side dish. Melon smirks, side dish. Darling, I'm the main course. You're just dessert. Watermelon laughs, and what's wrong with being dessert? Everyone loves dessert. Face it, melon, I'm the real star here. Melon sighs, fine, watermelon. You win this round. But remember, without me, the fruit bowl would, so boring. Watermelon grinning, and without me, it'd be so dry. Cheers to us, melon. The dynamic duo of the fruit world. Melon smiling reluctantly, cheers. But next time, I'm bringing the prosciutto.